Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my Clonezy AI review video. Now, this system is a revolutionary system powered by AI cloud that instantly clone, host, and publish any website on the internet. All the digital assets, the media files, the videos, the content, and you can make the page your own. You can edit the page. So I'm sure you've seen pages that you like, that you would love to have a similar page, even the themes. So this will copy exactly what you're looking at. You can resell them on Fiverr. You can edit them, make them your own. So, and it comes with thousands of premium website templates. So, in built-in drop and drag editor, so you can make any page you see your own page, edit it, and repost it on our system. We'll host it for you. So now you can have one of the best pages you've seen. Copy it, clone it, edit it to make it your own, or you could just resell it on Fiverr or on Upwork. This is Larry Kearney. I can thank everyone for watching this video. It's only $14.95 and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So check it out. Click the link below and download your copy today, so you'll start making money. You can, think about it. You could even copy squeeze pages. I know a lot of times you see a squeeze page that just what you would want, what you would need, but you just don't know how to create it yourself. You can create it yourself, edit it, and use it for your own campaign or resell it. This is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Click the link below to see a demo and get started today.